Hey guys, back with another video, and this time we have another custom mousepad which costs around $15. Now this is very similar to the other mousepad which I ordered a month ago. I have more detailed review on it if you want to check that out. But this one is thicker, which is 3mm. Now the first thing I've noticed as soon as I've opened it, the colors are bright just as I expected. And it's really soft, which is a synthetic material. It's thick, the mouse slides well, it has rubber on the back so that it doesn't slide on your desk. And most importantly, it does not peel off. And I think it takes the most important points that a mousepad should have. The print quality, it's great for this price. Now I purposely put some smaller logos just to see how well will they translate into smaller size. And I still think they look really well even in that small size. If you guys like this design and want me to send it to you, please let me know in the comments, type your email, and I'll make sure to send it to you. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it and found this helpful. If you did, hit the like button and sub if you already haven't. I'll see you all on the next one.